See, when you speak about unstructured data, mostly it's conversations, right? Or knowledge bases that you have which lie around the organization in the form of SOPs or your FAQs, etc. etc. What generative AI helps us in doing is structuring in these conversational data or these knowledge bases in a specific structure, and then you can store them in a database in the form of a vector or an embedding, and then you can retrieve them. So I would say 45% of our conversations, 45% of our unstructured data is conversations. And what we typically do there is we have an internal product called Conversant.ai, which we offer to other businesses also. Where what it lets you do is it lets you structure those conversation in terms of specific moments and intents. So let's say your customer is coming to you with a support request. He would want to cancel his flight ticket. Now it identifies that the customer scenario is flight ticket, right? And the agent resolution that he has given, he has mentioned the cancellation charges, he requested a confirmation for proceeding ahead, and then he went ahead and cancelled the ticket, right? So these are structured. So these conversations happen in a very unstructured setup, right? Very subjective to and fro communication. We structure that using something which we call moments, and then we store in the form of a data table in the data warehouse where we know this conversation, these particular talking points have happened. You can do a bunch of things on top of that. What are your best possible agent resolutions that has given you the best possible outcomes? So what we typically do is we don't use LLMs for every teeny weeny operation that we need to structure the data. We use LLMs as a supervisor, and then using that we use small scale language models or classical language models to actually structure this conversation in the form of